Greetings. This is Mushtaq Memon, Professor Emeritus from Washington State University. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are talking about a series of our videos dedicated to integrative veterinary medicine, and we have already started talking about traditional Chinese veterinary medicine, or TCVM, which is a big part of integrative vet med, or IVM. So today I am going to discuss with you a retrospective study which was from University of Florida in Gainesville. I did sabbatical leave there about 6 months in 2015, so I wanted to learn what goes on in integrative veterinary medicine service there. And these cases were seen by Dr. Shea and Dr. Smallberg and some other faculty members who were on the staff. So this is really a retrospective study of the cases which were brought in at University of Florida IVM service to be treated with traditional Chinese veterinary medicine only. So these patients were about for 2 years duration that I have put together. As you can see here on the slide, that canine dogs were a very large number, almost 92%, where the feline were only about 8%. It is interesting to see that what kind of disorders they were presented for. Very large number were musculoskeletal, almost 27%, then followed by neurological problems, oncological cases, cancer, and dermatological problems. And then, as you can see, the age, these animals were older. Dogs were almost close to, 10 years age, whereas the feline were even older than that, almost 13 years of age. Now, what did they receive? What kind of treatment? Obviously, they came only for TCVM treatment, so almost 95% received acupuncture, and then 76% or so received herbal supplements, and then 26% electroacupuncture, and about 24% aqua acupuncture. Now, this is also interesting to see that in feline, they were sent there, and you can see almost half of them were with cancer patients. But at the same time, there were some others with musculoskeletal, neurological, and respiratory problems. Now, when it comes to the canine, they were a large number musculoskeletal problems, but as you can see here, there are about 5-6 other system disorders that these animals had. So this shows you that TCVM could be helpful to other disorders also, almost every system of the animal that we deal with. Now, what was the frequency of the treatments? As you can see here, again, the acupuncture and herbal therapies were, received the most. And then these are the traditional Chinese veterinary medicines herbs, which these animals received, herbal formula. Most of the Chinese herbal therapies are formula rather than independent herbs. So you can see it's a long list of these herbs that I wouldn't have time here on my video to cover all that. So I would strongly recommend that you ought to dig into a little deeper and find out about these herbal formula to see what they have. I have given some references at the end, which I would mention, which are a very good source to learn more about them. And these are those references that you can look up to. The first one is the paper which we published on this study, which I'm just talking about, back in 2019. And then Dr. McKee from Tennessee has written an outstanding chapter in our recently published book, which he has approached in a very unique way. You would enjoy reading this chapter along with our other chapters, and Dr. Syke has written chapter on herbal therapies, which is also very educational. And then obviously Dr. Shea's red book and also the acupuncture books are, I think, very useful for you to learn more about it. So I'm going to stop at that. So my next video is going to be on horses. And I look forward to really talking to you about the similar concept in horses. In the meantime, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Goodbye.